Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Landbot for free in 2026. If you want to build chatbots without paying and still test powerful automation features, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Landbot website. Next, sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Now choose the free plan option when prompted during setup. Next, select your chatbot type such as website chatbot, WhatsApp bot, or lead generation bot. Now access your Landbot dashboard where you can start building your chatbot. Next, click on Create New Bot or Start from Template. Now choose a free template to speed up your setup or start from scratch. Next, customize your chatbot by adding messages, questions, and simple automation flows. Now use the preview option to test how your chatbot behaves in real time. Finally, save your project and publish your chatbot within the limits of the free plan. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Landbot for free. You can now build and test chatbots without spending money. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.